Welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. In today's episode, we'll know what secrets are hidden to microwaving a lemon before cutting it. Lemons can be found in pretty much every household. The yellow fruit is delicious in all kinds of different dishes and very healthy for you as well. Hardly a day goes by when we don't add some lemon to our glass of water or use its juice when we're making a cake. Let's start to know why you should microwave lemons before cutting them. Do you want to make the most of your lemon and get as much juice as possible out of it? Then we've got the perfect trick for you. By microwaving your lemon for a little bit, you'll get much more juice out of it. How does it work? First of all, you need to store your lemons in the fridge. When you need lemon juice, take one lemon out of the fridge and put it into your microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. Your lemons will have a longer shelf life when you store them in the fridge, and by microwaving them, you make sure you get as much juice out of them as you can. Never microwave your lemon for more than 20 seconds, because you don't want the fruit to get warm. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, Tips and Tricks, and press the bell icon for new video updates, and like, share and comment the video to tell us what you think about it.